I'm in my bathroom. I asked you guys from Instagram to choose between what makeup I'm gonna do today. If you want to find out how it turned out, just keep on watching. So let's get this started. I already did prep my skin with moisturizer and all those stuff. So let's head on to the facial mist. For facial mist, I had two options. Witch Hazel from the Beauty Bakery and the Rose Water from Mario Badescu. So let's get to the primer. For primer, you guys chose the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. And then for foundation, of course, you also chose Fenty Beauty. And I'll just put it on my dish. And I like to use it with a beauty blender. And then next up, for concealer, you guys chose Maybelline. Next up, for eyebrows, I'm using L'Oreal Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. I like this one actually. It comes with a brush. I like to brush my brows first. And then using the same concealer, just gonna put concealer on the edges of my eyebrows. And then for my cream blush, you guys chose Glossier Cloud Paint, the shade Beam. And then for my cream contour, the Matchsticks from Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Truffle. From Rihanna. She contours her neck. So for my setting powder, I'm gonna use Airspun. That's what you chose. I'll just bake a little bit, and then for my contour powder, you guys chose this palette from LA Girl. So I'm gonna use a bronzer first, this one. And then a darker shade, this one, for the hollows of my cheeks. I will move on to my eyeshadow, and that is the Pixie palette. I think for my transition shade, I'll just use this color. Well, this palette has more of a peach shade, so I feel like I'm always going for the same colors. Okay, I'm gonna try a brown one like this. I'll grab the same concealer and just put it around here before I put on the color. And then I'll use this shade here. And then using a clean brush, I'll just blend everything. Grab the same color for my lower lash line. I realized I didn't put any eyeliner options, but I guess I'm just using the Maybelline one because this is my favorite. For tight lining, I use Eye Candy. And for mascara, you guys chose the Roller Lash from Benefit. I only have the minis because I feel like I don't really use up full-size bottles. And then next is lips. This I have a bit of dilemma because it's 50-50. I feel like I always have nude lips on most of my tutorials or my makeup. So I'm gonna try a bolder one. I have this red. This is shade Fired Up from Sleek. Next up is highlight, and you guys chose Becca. I have the Champagne Pop. And of course, I'll use the same spray facial mist, that I use makeup. So I'll just finalize this look, maybe put on some eyelashes, and I'll be back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
Don't forget the bell icon so you get notified when she makes a video. That's very important.
Yeah, he learned that from other YouTubers. Okay, bye!